All around us, a silent and magnificent drama is constantly unfolding. It's a story that plays out quietly, without fanfare, yet it shapes the very world we live in. Every day, in every corner of the earth, this miracle continues, often unnoticed. It begins with something incredibly small, a seed. This humble beginning is the start of an extraordinary journey, one that holds the promise of life itself. Within this tiny package lies the blueprint for a living organism, a towering tree, a vibrant flower, or a nourishing vegetable. Each seed is a vessel of hope, carrying the instructions for life across generations. We pass by these miracles every day, rarely pausing to witness their slow journey. The quiet persistence of plants is easy to overlook in our busy lives. If we could speed up time, we'd see a breathtaking spectacle, the transformation from dormant seed to thriving plant. The process is nothing short of astonishing, a true marvel of nature. Imagine holding a broccoli seed, hard, dry, seemingly lifeless, yet packed with potential. In your palm rests the possibility of nourishment, of growth, of something much greater than it appears. Each seed is a self-contained capsule of future growth, perfected by nature over millions of years. They are nature's time travelers, carrying the wisdom of survival and adaptation. The process is too slow for our eyes, but with technology, we can witness days and weeks of growth in minutes. Suddenly, the invisible becomes visible, and the ordinary becomes extraordinary. Watch as tendrils reach out, leaves unfurl, and life awakens with purpose. Every movement is a step in the plant's quest for sunlight, water, and survival. Over 1,001 days, 12 different plants will reveal their unique stories of patience and persistence. Each one faces its own challenges, yet all strive toward the light. From lettuce to papaya, will follow their journey from hope buried in soil to thriving life. Their stories are a testament to resilience and the quiet power of nature. This is not just a story about plants, it's about the very essence of life on our planet. The unfolding miracle of growth connects us all, reminding us of the wonder that surrounds us every day. Growth begins with germination, the seed's awakening. Water is the key, unlocking the seed's dormant energy. As a seed absorbs moisture, it swells, softening its coat and activating enzymes. These enzymes break down stored food reserves, fueling the embryo's first steps. The first sign of life is the radicle, a tiny root anchoring the plant and seeking water. This fragile root is the plant's lifeline, absorbing nutrients and moisture. The process is perfectly coordinated, running on the energy stored within the seed. Soil temperature matters. Warmth speeds up these vital reactions. Whether lettuce or papaya, all seeds follow this universal story of awakening. Hidden beneath the soil, a quiet transformation unfolds. The seedling's journey is a leap from dormancy to vibrant life. All of this happens before we ever see a sprout. The miracle of germination is the first act in the plant's story. With roots anchored firmly in the earth, the next challenge for the seedling begins, a journey that will test its strength and resilience. The young shoot stretches upward, reaching for the light that will fuel its growth and transformation. The shoot pushes upward with determination, breaking through the dense soil in search of air and the warmth of the sun above. Many plants, like peas, emerge with a hooked shoot, cleverly protecting their delicate tips as they surface into the open world. Sprouting is a triumph. The plant's first exposure to sunlight marks a critical milestone in its life. The first leaves, called cotyledons, act as the plant's starter kit, performing early photosynthesis and providing the energy needed for the next stage. Soon, true leaves unfurl, taking on the unique shape and texture of the adult plant, signaling the start of independent growth. Now, the seedling shifts from relying on stored energy to making its own food, harnessing sunlight through photosynthesis. This transition is crucial. The plant becomes independent, harnessing sunlight for growth and building the foundation for its future. The sprout is still vulnerable, needing just the right balance of water and light to survive its first days above ground. Each new leaf strengthens the plant, building resilience and increasing its ability to thrive in a sometimes harsh environment. The journey from soil to sky is perilous, filled with obstacles, but every leaf is a step towards survival and success. The plant's connection to earth and sky grows stronger with each passing day, anchoring it below while reaching ever higher. This is the beginning of a new life, unfolding before our eyes, a remarkable transformation from a tiny seed to a living, growing plant. Beneath the surface, a hidden world of roots is quietly taking shape. What starts as a single radical soon becomes a sprawling network, absorbing water and minerals from the soil. Lateral roots branch out, maximizing the plant's reach for essential nutrients. Root hairs, tiny extensions, do most of the crucial absorption work. Roots anchor the plant, providing stability and support against wind and weather. As the plant grows above ground, its roots expand below, supporting its weight and structure. Roots also interact with the soil, releasing chemicals and forming partnerships with fungi and bacteria. This underground network is vital to the plant's health and ongoing growth. The strength of the roots is reflected in the flourishing leaves above. The real foundation of every plant lies hidden, quietly sustaining all life. For plants, light is everything. It powers photosynthesis, turning air and water into food. Outdoors, the sun provides this energy, but indoors, we must recreate it. Grow lights emit the specific blue and red wavelengths plants need most. Blue light fuels leafy growth. Red light encourages flowering and fruit. Full-spectrum lights mimic sunlight, letting indoor plants thrive year-round. Timers control the photoperiod, simulating seasons and guiding growth. Controlled environments remove variables like weather and pests, revealing the plant's natural cycle. This technology lets us grow food anywhere, anytime. Lettuce in winter, papaya in cold climates. Indoor gardens blend nature and technology, offering a front-row seat to the miracle of growth. Here, we witness the drama of a seed's journey, up close and uninterrupted. Watching 12 plants grow in time-lapse is like hearing a symphony, each with its own melody. Broccoli germinates swiftly, building sturdy bluish-green leaves. Lettuce explodes into a rosette of delicate, overlapping leaves, growing rapidly. Kiwi vines twist and climb, their tendrils searching for support, leaves broad and energetic. Lemon seeds grow slowly, investing in strong, woody stems for future fruit. Parsley's fronds are feathery and delicate. Pea shoots thrust upward with determination. Watermelon vines sprawl. Papaya shoots rocket skyward, and blueberries develop tough stems. Side by side, these plants reveal the diversity of nature's strategies. All share the same basic processes: germination, rooting, photosynthesis, but each expresses life uniquely. The time-lapse is a visual celebration of nature's creativity and adaptability. Every plant's journey is a testament to survival and success. Together they remind us of the endless variety and wonder in the plant kingdom. The journey from seed to thriving plant is more than a spectacle, it's a quiet, ongoing miracle that unfolds right before our eyes, often unnoticed in the rush of daily life. It's a lesson in life's cycles, reminding us that growth takes time, patience, and care, just as the seasons turn and return. Every plant, from lettuce to lemon tree, has its own rhythm and story, each one unique yet connected by the same natural laws. Each follows a path from birth to maturity, then renewal, showing us that endings are often beginnings in disguise. Watching this unfold deepens our appreciation for the web of life that sustains us, revealing the intricate connections between plants, insects, and people. Growing food at home becomes less mysterious. Suddenly the process feels accessible, even magical, as we witness it firsthand. A pot, soil, and light are all it takes to begin, no matter how small your space or experience. Seeing a seed become food inspires gratitude and reduces waste, making every meal feel more meaningful and connected to the earth. Observing plants sparks curiosity and wonder, inviting us to slow down and notice the small miracles happening all around us. This leads us to ask questions about nature's secrets, encouraging lifelong learning and discovery. In a digital world, nurturing a plant grounds us, teaching patience and resilience, qualities that help us thrive beyond the garden. These lessons extend beyond the garden, shaping our relationships, our habits, and our sense of responsibility. They shape how we see ourselves and our world, reminding us that we are part of something much larger. The story of these 12 plants is our story too, one of hope, growth, and transformation. It's a journey from simple beginnings to complex life, echoing the cycles we all experience. By watching and understanding this silent miracle, we gain perspective and humility. We reconnect with the essence of life. In cultivating a garden, we cultivate a deeper sense of belonging in nature's grand design, and discover that even the smallest garden can teach us the biggest lessons.